Hello out there, my name is Joseph and I'm going to take you through the simple process of issuing an item in the simple inventory management system. We are going to issue some 32 GB flash disks to multiple users, and we are also going to issue a desktop computer to a staff member and also compare the tasks 2 and 3. We may execute these together, but this is for purposes of learning. So let's get the ball rolling, and I log in here as my username as Mathenge, sorry, and there I'm in. I'll first look at the items in the inventory. I look at the list of items, all items, and look at the items I want to issue. The items are here. We are going to issue this HP desktop computer and this SanDisk flash disk. The quantity here is 1 or this. All these items are in the training store, so we are going to issue to users of different offices. So I'll hit on issue item and I'll select my user, who is my viewer, and then I select the store from which store I want to issue the item from. Then I'll select the first item is HP desktop computer. You'll note here that it has indicated the maximum quantity as 1. So if I select 32 GB flash disks, it will indicate to me the maximum quantity in the store as 200. So you cannot put in here 201. This one will automatically reject. The maximum can be there. So I want us to issue 20 of these. And we also issue this HP desktop 1 to the user we are calling my viewer, and maybe we can put a reason there for testing or for training, and then we'll hit issue item. So once we hit the issue item, it will lead us to this page where you'll see the last item. The last issuance is from my viewer. You can print here, or you can view the issuance received for this particular case. So you see, I have issued this HP desktop computer to my viewer, this and this. Now if we go back to our inventory here, initially it was like this. Allow me to open a new tab, of the same, so that now we can compare the two. So my viewer belongs to the training office, so the item has moved from the training office. Initially it was the training store. Then the other items will move from, initially they were in the training store, all of them the 200, but in this case they are in multiple locations. So I can click here, so I can be able to see that the total count is still 200. Those that remains in the training store are 180, and those that are in the training office are 20. Then from here I can proceed to the training store. And I should be able to see that actually this item physically moved from, logically moved from the training store to the training office. If I hit view more of that item, I'll be able to see that the issuance summary, although the quantity issued was 1, it has not been retrieved, and I can also print that. So basically that is a simple process of issuing an item from one location, or from one office to another, and from one user, and from a store to a user. So I can also click on these SanDisk flash disks. It will indicate how they have been issued, all that, the quantity that was issued there, and whether they have been returned. So that marks the end of that simple tutorial, and you can try with more items as you go through. The quantity remains the same. The quantity available in this particular case is 180, and that marks the end of that tutorial. Thanks for listening to me. and welcome to my next tutorial. Thank you and God bless you.